Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've been thinking about this show for a couple of weeks, and I am really hesitant to do it, but I thought, man, go ahead and do it and get inputs from my viewers and subscribers. And it's related to kind of politics, and I'm not into politics. I was an engineer most of my life, and then later a technical director, so I didn't have to deal with politics. The program managers deal with those kinds of things on our programs. I just dealt with the technical aspect. So I'm not into politics. I don't like discussing politics and stuff like that. But there's a lot of politicking going on right now, and one area is tariffs, and specifically tariffs with China, which of course we get a lot of electronics and radios and stuff like that from China at pretty good discount. And one of the reasons, as I understand it, I haven't proved it, but as I understand it, the reason you can buy things from China directly and get free shipping is the United States government pays for the shipping. I don't know if that's true, but that would explain a lot why you're getting free shipping. So, for instance, if you found a radio on a Chinese website or eBay and it was, say, $8, you might be able to find the same radio on Amazon and it would be $12, like 50% more. And that's quite common. And you may have to pay shipping on top of that unless you have the what do you call it? Yeah, Prime membership. Oh, it's hell to get old. Oh, geez. Unless you have a Prime membership, which costs you $100 a year to have that, which I have because I do a lot of purchases from Amazon. Anyway, it really scares me about this tariff thing that the president and China are, shall we say, fighting over or discussing a lot. And I believe the president has even upped a tariff on stuff coming from China. Does that mean things that we get from China, either directly with free shipping or via Amazon, for instance, is going to go up? Now, here, and the reason this came to mind is one of my subscribers saw this show. I did this back in March. And at that time, this radio, this AM, FM, nice little radio, was $6.99 on Amazon. He told me that he liked what he saw, so he bought one, and now they're $11. And I'll show you right now. Here's my Amazon store. Here they are right here, and now they're $11. So they went from $7 to $11. Now, you have to keep in mind that Amazon, especially when people, sellers, put things on for the first time, they put them on at a reduced rate to get, some sales and get some positive feedback and stuff. So they would naturally go up. Or like in the summertime, like starting right now, sellers will drop the prices on things because sales are real slow. So I don't know if it has to do with that or this potential tariff thing. I just don't know. But I'd like to get your inputs on this. It scares the heck out of me because, if there's a additional 25% tariff, the sellers are probably going to pass it on to us buyers. So that would not be good. Now, that's stuff coming from China. I don't know about things like these SDR Play devices. They don't come from China, so I don't know the prices would be affected. And it may mean other things that don't come from China will become a bargain. But a lot of stuff, and you look at my store here, I would say 95% of this stuff in my store that's on Amazon comes from China. And so the question is this tariff war going to affect them? Like I say, not sure I really wanted to do this show, but I really want your inputs. What you think about this? Is it just going to blow over and everybody's going to be happy in the end? I don't suspect. I suspect, again, I'm not politically inclined, but I suspect there will be at least some kind of increase in prices of stuff from China. Maybe a lot less than I'm worried about, but I'm just afraid it might go up. These bargains we got, like here's the TVDL radios, here the Bofang radios, all from China. A lot of the stuff's from China. A lot of it. So tell us what you think. Leave a comment, or if you don't want to leave a general comment to the public, you can send me an email to TRRS73@gmail.com. And let us know what you think. Should we be worried? Should I panic? Should I panic? That's the question. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.